Good morning, student. 10th class today topic cellular respiration. So most important of previous examination, that's diagram. So these are already previous exams, so diagrams and answer will be come there in the previous of years. So cellular respiration. Generally this question is asking to the write the cellular respiration, how to formation and other. Why do you say that powerhouses of cell? Asking the question. So this is also important, the framing of the question. So we are discuss about the cellular respiration and powerhouses of cell. So the term cellular respiration refers to pathway by which cells release the energy from the chemical bond of food molecules that enter them. When we are taken to the different type of the food items, that's food items to development body growth. In the previous class or smallest our 5th class, 6th class we are discuss about. So that food is body growth development. That is food is here. So this food is to digestion after the cells is to utilize that. So saying that the cells is utilize that. So in this process, the food is can be converted to the chemical energy. It means that energy is released in that, and after enter there. Next, it provides that energies for the essential process of life. Right. So when the energy is in our body, we are the different type of the functions of our body systems and working the different type of the our daily ways. So it provides the energy for the essential process of life. Most important. Essential means importance. Right. Next, living cells must be carry out cellular respiration. We are the living. So we are the carry out cells. We are the basic unit of our life is cell. So living cells must be carry out the cellular respiration. Our body is feeling the primary unit of life cell. So the same that, right? It can be in the presence of oxygen, that is aerobic respiration. For example, it is the most important questions of the first unit. Aerobic and anaerobic respiration. We are the aerobic respiration. We are dependent on the oxygen. Oxygen is present in there, that is called aerobic respiration. And next one, absence of that is called anaerobic respiration. Differences is the aerobic respiration, the first unit. So that is the nutrition topic. So that is the important of question. That is also. Next, cellular respiration is prokaryotic cells like that bacteria occurs within the cytoplasm. In the eukaryotic cell, cytoplasm and mitochondria are the sites of the reaction. So cellular respiration is prokaryotic. Prokaryotic means the absence of nucleus. That's so some bacteria is there. Like that is not required for the anaerobic process. We say that fermentation process. Next, eukaryotic cell. So and mitochondria. We are depend on the oxygen. Means that we are the cellular organisms. Next, produced energy stored in the mitochondria in the form of ATP. That why mitochondria is powerhouses of cell. So our body are living organisms. The energy, total energy is stored in the ATP formation. The ATP means adenosine triphosphate. Tri means 3. So that is the power of how cells of the mitochondria. The exact chemical breakdown of sugars with the living cells is formation of step-by-step process in our body. So our body is a chemical breakdown. When we are the say that rice is to the sugar molecules, that means the glucose. So when sugar molecules break down, the living cells is utilize that and step by step. When food is enter into our mouth, it is process is some step by step. Or finally, it is the completely digestion. That's like that. Okay. Next, breakdown of glucose. The energy is released and stored up in a special component known as ATP. Here is ATP is there. So when breakdown, when we are breakdown of the there is a comes of energy like that. So breakdown of glucose, that energy is released and stored up in special component ATP formation. When ATP is breakdown, we are the work hardly and workly running. That's time the energy is comes from the cells. So that is the ATP, adenosine triphosphate. It is a small parts of chemical energy. So ATP is a small of chemical parts of energy. Why is that? The energy is stored in the ATP purpose. ATP is formation. Those are called chemical small parts of energy. The energy is currency of the cells is ATP, an energy rich component that is capable of supplying energy. wherever needed within the cell. When we work the any one of some duty, that's time and hardly working, the energy is needed that. So ATP formation. Each ATP molecule gives the 7200 calories of energy. Each one ATP, this ATP, each one formation of ATP energy gives the calories of 7200 calories. It is the most important of our objective type in any of competitive exams. That times these are the most important. This energy is stored in the form of phosphate bonds. So there is a triphosphate, three bonds is there. So in the formation of bonding relation, so chemical process, if bonds break down, the stored energy is released. This of the ATPs break down automatically, thus energy is entering into the our body. So automatically we are do the different of the function. This is the mitochondrial structure. This is the folding, numerical of folding is there. This folding is the folding of matrix, and other one is the crystal. So there is a covering with our ATP is mitochondria is covered by the inner layer, outer layer. This is the diagrams also most important, because it is a previous exam. When diagram is given that, the label part is missing that. So given the 2 marks question, that question is also important of 10th class. So objective type is given that what is the diagram name. So that type of the questions is create that in our CCE method. Okay. Thank you everyone. This is the most important of the answer.